Welcome to Auto Viralz, the channel where the world's most unbelievable machines come to life. Aaj hum aapko lakar ja rahi hain ek icy journey par, jeez dek kar aap haka baka ray jayoj. Kian ke aaj hum baat karne whale hain is truck ki, jo surf truck nahi, baka ek $5 million luxury mansion on wheels high, the breathtaking 2026 Kenworth T2000. Dosto, jab baat hodi high luxury motorhomes ki, sab ke dimag me ek high tasvir aati high, batty, modern, our futuristic vehicles. Lekin Kenworth Nay 2026 me jo presentation di high, wo kisi dream machine se kam nahi. Ye surf ek commercial truck ka upgraded version nahi, bake ek rolling palace high jo highway par chalt qb ek 5-star hotel se betar experience deta high. Iska exterior design high itna aggressive our modern high k door se dek car high patachal jata high k ye machine aam nahi. Aerodynamic curves, LED light signature, high strength frame, sab kuch premium, sab kuch powerful, sab kuch over the top. Our jab op iska cabin dekoj, to lagay ga k op kisi billionaire k private suite me a gay ho. Heated massage seats, panoramic digital cockpit, AI-based driving assistance, our icy smooth ride k-op yawning cart hu software complete car low. Lekin dosto, osli magic to shuru hoda hey iska living quarters me. Kian k is truck me apko malega ek full luxury apartment setup, king size bed, Italian wood interior, smart ambient lighting, high-end kitchen, spa level shower, touchscreen control system, our ek entertainment zone jism op Hollywood level ka cinematic experience enjoy car sakti ho. Ye sab kuchi k moving mansion k and are fitted high, road par shalti way ek luxury villa. Our Han, power key bot karain to 2026 Kenworth T2000 kisi beast say kam nahi. High performance diesel electric hybrid system, insane torque, advanced suspension, our world class safety features, ye machine long distance travel ko ek royal journey bana dedi high. To tayar ho jao, kian k aaj hum iss $5 million rolling masterpiece code detail me explore carne whale hain. Ye surf ek truck nahi, bake ek futuristic lifestyle ka symbol high, ek isa lifestyle g surf kuch log afford car sakti hain, lekin har koi dekna chata hay. Let's begin the ride. Welcome to Auto Viralz. Lorry sparkles.